Tonight we opened up our building at Ross Collins Career and Technical Center to allow our middle school and ninth grade parents to come and see the opportunities for next year and the years to come. Our counselors and student services and instructors got together, thought this would be a great time to showcase what we offer here at Ross Collins.
It's actually quite amazing because they give you this detailed outlook on what it's going to be like for the later years for your children. And like the director was just telling me, your child could literally earn a certificate before they even graduate for college. So it's actually quite amazing. And my son, of course, with the program that he wants to go into, this is definitely an amazing opportunity for him because he's so hands-on with cars and vehicles, and he'd like to one day design.
Oh, I like it. It's like I have these opportunities to go into these things I always wanted to do. Going to an auto place, I always wanted to open my own type of business.
It's a cool thing because when I was in middle school, we didn't get to see the programs that we have here today, and it's a good thing for them to see the programs that we do have here.
We've had a great turnout so far. A lot of students interested and their parents were interested. We just really want to plug into the younger students and show them what we have here at Ross Collins to recruit through our district and just really to show them the opportunities that we have here at Ross Collins Career and Technical Center.